In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Face ID and Passcode. Now scroll again, this time to click on Turn Passcode On. And before doing anything, select Passcode Options and click on the best one for you. 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, create your login method. And if you see this pop up, change your passcode because it's way too easy. This is just an example though, so I will tap on Use Anyway. To continue, enter your passcode again and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my passcode was successfully created. Scroll down a tiny bit more and tap on Require Passcode. I always recommend to choose immediately, because if you pick any of those options, after 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 1 hour or 4 hours, this is the amount of time where your device can be unlocked by anyone. So pick whatever you want, go back and let's check out if it works. I will switch off my screen, turn it back on, and swipe up to see that my passcode was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!